Present tense. In present tense. Action or event taking place in present. Current activity. Or, we can say that action that is happening now or at the time of speaking. Subdivisions. It is subdivided into present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense, present indefinite tense. First off, all we need to know about the conditions where simple tense is used. Routines. For example, I wake up at 7. He takes a bath daily. I go to bed at 10. In these sentence routine is following. Facts. For example, sun rises in the east. Man is mortal. Sky is blue. These sentences are showing the facts, which can't be changed. Schedule. For example, the flight leaves at noon. Classes at school begins next week. These sentences shows some future events that are planned and is not likely to change. Permanent situations. For example, I live in Barcelona. Claire works in bank. This usage is not for actions that can be repeated. This is for sustained activity. Frequency of actions. For example, she always takes the bus. She reads many books. This means how many times action performed, like sometimes or usually, or how often we do things. Likes and dislikes. For example, you like chocolate. Harry doesn't like tomatoes. Simple tense is also used for someone's likes and dislikes.